Howdy.
Hello.
I decided to move the Hugelkultur tires up here closer to the house, and
It's Hugelkultur because there's wood in it.
yeah, we got wood in the bottom, we got cardboard underneath, then wood in the bottom, and then the tire is just acting as the frame for the raised bed. And we're going to mix up our dirt just like we did in the pots with the tomatoes and peppers, and then we're going to plant in them, and we'll get to that here in just a minute. Let's fill these up and we'll be right back.
Okay, we got our beds filled and our soil mixed, and this one we got yellow squash and zucchini, and that one we got mixed carrots.
All right, we're also going to plant cayenne pepper in each one, just to keep the hot peppers away from the sweet peppers. And you can see in this one, I already have the straw down, and we're just going to make a hole each spot where we're going to plant a seed, and we're going to leave the straw off of our seeds until they come up. And on the carrots, I'm just going to kind of make a spiral pattern with the seeds and lightly coat them with the straw until they come up, and then we'll put more straw on them. And the peppers, we're just going to put them in like we did on the other ones, minus the egg, because crazy chicken lady won't let me have any more eggs. But we'll get these planted and we'll come back at the end. So we made holes, and we're putting one seed in each hole. You want that hole? All right.
You put one in this.
All right, that's it. It's as simple as that. We're going to put probably a bucket of water on each one, just like we did our tomatoes and peppers. And we'll see how it turns out. I don't know really if the Hugelkultur will make a difference this year, or if it's kind of a difference over time situation. But I guess we'll see how it does. Not a very deep bed for carrots, and there's wood in it, so we'll probably get some gnarly looking carrots that are all fingered out. But I planted them, sowed them really thick, because we can actually fit them for carrot greens, and I've never ate carrot greens, but I hear they're pretty good. So we'll try them. What do you think? You want to eat carrot greens?
Sure. We'll try it.
So out of hot peppers, zucchini, crooked necks, yellow squash, and carrots, which is your favorite?
Zucchini.
Zucchini? How do you like it the best?
When it's like baked in the oven with Parmesan and salt.
Yeah, I like that too. It's like a zucchini chips.
It's so good.
It is. It's really good. I might have to make a video on that sometime. But that's it for today. God bless you, and we'll see you on the next one.
Goodbye.